video, I'm going to show you a basic footwork maneuver known as stepping off at the angle or cut the pie. Do me a favor and share this video with one of your training partners. When stepping off at an angle, I want to use that after I throw a combination on my opponent. I throw my combination. Now, there's a straight line that goes straight back. I want to stay off that line as much as I can because the opponent is going to try to attack me right after I throw my combination. To avoid that, I'm going to step off at an angle. I have my cones set up at 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Throw my combination, push off the front foot, back foot is going to move first, and I'm going to step off at that angle. Here, I'm out of punching range to where I can step back in and hit my opponent if I want to, or I can reset and move my way around the ring. After throwing a combination, I want to try to avoid staying on this line of fire because that's where my opponent is coming right after I throw my combination. So I either want to go off to my 7 o'clock or my 5 o'clock. As a right-hander, stepping off to your left is a little more challenging. I have to reposition my body as I step because I want to make sure that my lead shoulder is always pointing at my target. There's a little modification that I have to complete as I'm moving. So for beginners, I always tell them, practice off stepping off to the right first. It's a lot easier. Drill this over and over again until you get used to it. Occasionally when you're in sparring or you're in fights, you step off to the left, but make sure you always keep your lead shoulder pointing at your target. And again, you can step back in to hit your opponent with a second combination, or you can reset, collect your thoughts, and think about your next move. Try it out, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section.